Now that his payment methods are set up, Nick needs to set up his tax information. This is the last step before Nick can begin building his inventory database in the back office.
Nick, have you set up your tax information yet?
No, it sounds complicated. Can you help me, Professor Silver?
When your account was set up, a default no tax category was created, which is great when you don't need to charge tax for certain items. But you can create multiple tax categories, tax jurisdictions, and even selling locations.
That's a great feature.
We'll get started by setting up a new tax category.
Professor Silver, what's a tax category?
Great question, Nick. One example of a tax category is sales tax. Most states require businesses to collect a sales tax on certain items. We'll set that up right now. Select Add a Tax Category. Name the category. In this case, we can name it Sales Tax. Select the box next to Make this my default tax category.
Does that mean when I ring up an item in the POS, it will automatically be charged a sales tax?
Yes, any items assigned to this sales tax category will automatically apply your local tax rate to your tickets. Setting a default tax category makes it easy to collect the right tax when you start adding items to your inventory database. You can always change the tax category of an item in the back office if necessary. I'll show you how to do that a little later. After you select Done, the new tax category will appear on the screen. Type in the tax percentage under the sales tax heading and select Save at the bottom of the screen. Notice the star next to the sales tax category. This indicates your default tax category. You should check your local tax laws to make sure you are charging and collecting the appropriate taxes. Did you know that some areas, cities, or counties have their own distinct regulations for taxing consumers?
I didn't know that.
These are known as tax jurisdictions, and with NCR Silver, they are easy to set up. To set up tax jurisdictions, select the pencil icon next to the name of your location. Then select "This location uses multiple tax jurisdictions." Name the jurisdictions and type in the tax rate for each new jurisdiction. You must have at least 2 jurisdictions to use this feature.
That's so easy. Do the different tax jurisdictions appear on the customer receipts?
They do. They also appear on the back office tax report.
Professor Silver, I've been thinking about opening a mobile Nick's coffee room truck. What do I do if the places I travel to have different tax rates?
That's a great question. NCR Silver allows you to create multiple selling locations with unique tax rates. That way, businesses that sell in multiple tax jurisdictions can use the same item inventory but charge different tax rates. When your coffee truck moves to a different location, just tell the system where you are selling from today, and the POS will charge the appropriate tax rate. To add a new selling location, select Add a Location and give the location a unique name. You can even select whether this location uses multiple jurisdictions. Then type in the tax rates for the new location. Every tax rate field is required, so be sure not to leave anything blank. Setting up your tax information is quick and easy with NCR Silver. And don't forget, if you need additional help setting up your tax categories, don't hesitate to contact your Silver Concierge team.
Nick has just finished setting up his taxes in the back office. He can add new tax categories, jurisdictions, and selling locations. With all the back office settings now complete, Nick can begin building his inventory database.